Hello, wellness enthusiasts and skincare aficionados. Are you ready to explore the transformative benefits of red light therapy? The power of handheld red light therapy devices and how they can elevate your wellness journey. Let's dive in. Best for personal therapy. Features medical grade, 60 LEDs, 50,000 hour lifespan, 3-year warranty, clinically proven wavelengths. Best for weight loss features 600 LED diodes, portable, med spa level, immediate shipping. Best for pain relief and healing features clinically tested, FDA approved, intelligent remote control, medical grade red infrared light therapy, includes a stretchy strap, a Type-C charging cable. Best for eye health features narrow beam with 670 nm LEDs, portable, earth double insulated power cord. Best for targeted therapy device type red light therapy panel features kickstand, adjustable timer, high irradiance, whisper quiet fan, multiple modes, pre-order available. So if you're ready to take charge of your wellness journey and elevate your skincare routine, these handheld red light therapy devices are your ultimate allies. Say hello to vibrant, rejuvenated skin and a wellness sanctuary right in your home.